are getting a little bit more tricky towards the end of the book. So this variation is adding to the heat just a little bit, but it's really fun to play, really fun to learn, and really fun to go over, the strings. The whole thing is all about changing string crossings, and sometimes jumping over strings, which at this tempo can be a challenge, but it's manageable, and as long as you practice it slowly, you should be able to reach your goals and get to the desired tempo. Also, I highly suggest practicing the variants. Mr. Sevcik provides 15 versions of this variation at the bottom, and you really need to give them a shot, do as best as you can. That, I think, where truly the value of this variation lays. So you you might want to explore them. I recommend them. Thank you for watching, and I wish to invite you to my website where you can find some information about me, the lessons I teach, and maybe we can get connected. Thank you.